This is the SafeLogic TopLit from SecureM Systems. This is a very popular safe lock that's used on a lot of gun safes and a lot of home safes. How you can tell the TopLit is when you press any of the buttons, there's two little red lights appear and shine down over the keypad. And that's really there so that if you're entering the code at night, you can see to enter the numbers. The SafeLogic TopLit has a polycarbonate housing, so you can tell that difference from the SafeLogic Basic or SafeLogic Backlit. They both have stainless steel as their housing. This one has a polycarbonate housing. This is available in either chrome, as you see here, or in brass. The SafeLogic TopLit comes with two default codes from the factory. Those codes are 111111. You enter those codes in order to open the safe. Now that code is a special code. It's called a manager code. And that is usually changed by the safe manufacturer who installed the safe lock or by the locksmith who installed the safe lock. They maintain that code as the manager code, and they maintain it generally against the safe serial number, so that if ever you run into an issue with your safe, they have that code to be able to help you manage and open the safe. The other default code that the lock comes with is called the user code, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that also opens the safe. It is called the user code. Now, when you first get the safe, the 11111 is not going to work. And that is because it's been changed by the safe manufacturer or the locksmith. But your code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to open the safe, enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lock will open. Now, in order to change that code, which you'll want to do as soon as you get the safe, is to go through this procedure. First, you enter the change code mode by entering 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll go beep. Now you enter the code you want to change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It'll beep. Then you enter the code you want it to be. This is your unique 6-digit code. I'll just do 654321. It'll beep. Then it asks me to repeat it. 654321. And it goes beep beep. And that has changed. Now you have to do those within 10 seconds of each other. Otherwise, it'll time out. But our code now has been changed from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to 654321. Let's go ahead and open it with that code. 654321. And it opens. So that's how you change your code with a SafeLogic TopLit.